Alright, we're gonna cut some high stumps to avoid the base rot. So I'm not crouching around on this one. Yeah, see that guy right there. All right. I wasn't thick, because as you can see, that's just all rot. So I needed this much holding wood on it. It's dry as a bone. No chance I'm gonna get back. I'll go put some more tension on the line. It's open 1.5 inches. There's a couple stubborn limbs right there. I want to pop. We'll do a bore cut on this, see how bad it is. Real bad. When the tree looks like that at the base, shave the bark off all the way around to see what the wood underneath it is looking like. This one, not good. because it is bad wood. It's good and set. I'm gonna run over here and put some more on my come along. And I'll tickle that hinge off. All right, stump analysis. Ants. Terrible amount of coal rot. Big sections. The only live wood was about an inch on this side and a couple inches on that side. The rest is dried out and dead. I left it thicker on the high side. This is what that pop was. This severed when I snipped in there. I knew it was bad over here because I could hear it sound like a hollow drum, so I needed more wood on the high side to hold it on course in case this gave out. None of this is held on to anything. It's all loose down there, so none of this is holding up the tree at all. It's just the outer 2 inches. I have to turn my camera on it. A bore test. The wood's good on this one. More tension on it. I'm gonna release the hinge. Got it set up. Double tap never hurt. See it move forward significantly because I had tension on it with a rope. My hinge is still a little thick. Work them both so it moves it evenly. Look how far out it is. Oh, and it just doesn't want to go with two. Go three. Tough little guy. Left about 2.5 inches of hinge wood. Took the center out. This one was actually in pretty good shape. It's a little dry in the center, but it held on. It was leaned out terribly over the house, so I felt it necessary to go. This cluster's done.